your hand. Our young teenage girl, hello. Students. For those who are from Indonesia, please.
Is the biggest race in Taiwan, the indigenous people. Yeah, so let's go. So this tribe is on the middle of mountain, so we have to walk for a little while.
It's my experience.
Hi guys, it's Swazi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super exhausted. I am climbing this hill and we're going to learn about the indigenous people of Taiwan, and I'll be taking you guys with me. It is so hot, I can barely even catch my breath, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Wish me luck.
So, wish you have a good day this afternoon. This is what they want. And this is I try almost every time. We are all rely on agriculture to our daily life and our economy coming. And the Hualien's agriculture, which different from the
Guys, I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Ah.
a little sour and a little sweet. And I take a cup.
都是洛神哦。
洛神跟
I
苦
buy
茶。
a kind of flower, a red kind of flower, 洛神. Do you know how to say English in 洛神? It's outside.
不知道怎么讲。
The same one that's outside. Just want to know the
Can I sweet?
That was sweet.
I will just take it.
From sour.
There's sweet and sour.
And we have more
Sweet one sour. Salad dry.
Some rice.
No, I don't know.
This is brown rice.
I don't know. It's.
Looks like brown rice.
I think it's. Yeah. It's
Brown rice, right?
Yeah.
Oh well. And then what's this? Is this tea?
But
No,
I think that's
some
actually
kind of
some-
fruit and dry.
Oh, dried fruit.
So it's kind of sand.
Oh.
It's made of this kind of flower. Lotion. It is the one who sent with the tea, the red one.
I feel some
It tastes like sour and sweet.
Sweeter on my chest.
Thanks.
And I think the fruits, the seed of this ginger shell is even can make into medicine. And it's, I don't know how to, the middle thing, the heart of core, the core of the plants, it can do more things and you can eat that.
All of the plants is edible. It is edible.
Yes, all of every part. Do you know the rice dumpling?
Yeah.
Some kinds of
Fancy.
rice dumpling can made by this.
You say you can use the leaves to make the chongzi, the Dragon Boat Festival. Oh yeah, you can use this leaf to
These leaves have some good smell and I can break these leaves and you can just very much.
Kayaking. Aren't you coming? Oh.
You want to face this? 正面啊 to face you 啊，这样子划水，对吧？这样子划水，然后这样子才往前，然后我们再另外一个再转向正面，然后再划水，这样划。
Okay, so for English speakers, basically you're supposed to use this flat area to beat the water with it. That's what you're supposed to do. And as you can see, they are not on the same, they are not symmetric. So you beat with this one, and then you switch a little bit and beat with that one. So if you do this on the water, it will just slide inside, you don't move. So you're supposed to go against the water, and that's how you push yourself forward. And you switch, you push yourself forward. And now, how do you stop? How do you stop if you don't want to move anymore? Hey, what are you doing?
I find the closest toilet here in the building. Let me see. I can...
So we just arrived at Hualien Harbor. So we have our tickets here, and we're going in. Shoshana.
Even if it's in Santiago.
The struggle is real. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good? You're not nervous? Wow.
Holy shit. This is how I.
I think that's too long.
Alright, change it. Okay.
So
海鲜都会
scary.
拿一件上来，好不好？大人的，我们都是大人的。
Life jackets. But our boat is different.
Another one. Langkah dulu. Mesti pindongan ke?
For your own safety. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Go forward. Just sit. Sit. And have your feet outside. Yeah.